Guys? Welcome to Cat Baited with the two idiots. Currently, my friend,
Yeah.
my friend is stuck in the ground and can't get up.
What do you mean? I'm not stuck in the ground. I don't know what you mean. Let's go. You scared me. Stop it.
How? I can't
Let's
either go.
go.
I'm too big for my own
Stop
good.
it.
I'm scared.
Stop. Don't covering me. We have to be family friendly. I say what we're not family friendly in the comments. Where's my
Please.
side? That's not my side. This is my side. Wait, is it? Yes, it is. Why did I start
Yeah.
out with 150 coins? I have a pillow. Kind of scared now. Meow 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 meow.
I have a
Meow meow
headache.
meow
I'm scared.
meow meow.
Meow,
Meow meow
meow,
meow
meow,
meow.
meow. You hit one of
You missed
my
me, bro.
cats.
Stop. Wait, hold up. Hold up, wait.
Am I able to upgrade my
Wait.
range? Yeah, I'm able to. Yay!
I'm able to buy food.
I'm not.
I think nobody cares. I'm so sorry, guys.
I'm pretty sorry, but nobody cared about the video.
Hey, yeah! It's not nothing.
That's all I think.
Look, no, you didn't. I still can't whether you got stuck in the ground before.
I can't wait how I did a handstand in this game, dude.
Well, Cosmo could do a handstand. Need help.
No.
Hiya. See, I helped you.
I'm trying to help. Anyways, who said that?
Help me! So am I kind of not stuck in the wall?
Smart thinking. We won't be able to use our smart thinking anymore.
Nope, we will. Don't worry. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow meow meow. Meow. Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow. Meow meow meow.
La boo boo.
Meow. Meow 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 meow. Hi. I help you, see? You might want to build your walls a bit.
I don't think I do.
I think you do.
I don't think I do.
Need some help?
No.
Well, Kitty trying to got in.
No, I don't need help.
See, I'm helping you.
No, you don't. Might hurt you. How about that?
Oh.
I'm sorry, that hurt me. Guys, he's
I'm gonna hurt
abusive.
you.
Help me.
No. I just noticed. Once you
What?
buy the chain, arm, chain, nail armor, it's all going downhill. I have a feeling.
I blame you.
What did I do?
You made me use this.
No, you wanted to use the chicken.
No!
I said put a.
I meant that a joke.
Oh well, I wasn't. You need help?
Nah.
I can help you. See, I helped you. How?
I'm trying to eat a mini Twix bar.
I want Oreos. Stop
Stop
it! Good. You're gonna stop it. Stop it! I'm gonna take the side. I'm joking. Trust me, I'm gonna steal some of yours if you don't stop it. I'm joking, by the way. I would never do that. Okay, I said happen. No, I don't know what you're talking about.
What?
Oh no! 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 We kind of are in need of some help. No, we aren't.
Yeah,
You're
my
in
friends
need
are
of ever help.
crazy.
No, I'm not. Need some help?
No.
Well, I did one hit, and you still got the kill, so I kind of helped. Please, please, please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
I
Please don't
think
hurt me.
you got some of my cats. I didn't know.
No,
I'm
I
not.
didn't.
I'm looking the wrong thing. Shoot.
Please. Were you talking about the coins?
Maybe. Ma'am.
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 How?
Ma'am.
Oh no. Oh
Guys, I think my
no.
I think my head's a little crazy. Y'all guys just totally watch my YouTube video, trust.
When? Ma'am. These won't ever show up on their For You page.
Unless I type
And if it
for
does,
your
then
page.
the visual.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah, I think. Hopefully. We gotta hope and pray. Hope and pray.
Well, I kind of don't want to hope and pray.
Too bad, too sad.
I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna.
No.
Oh. Thank you for pausing the game, because I kind of needed to get my charger, which was almost falling off my bed.
I feel like I have a headache. My elbow have headache.
How your elbow have a bake?
Watch out for my body roll. Watch out for my body roll. High kicks, high kicks. This is how we do it. Watch out for our body rolls. Watch out for our body rolls. High kicks, high kicks. This is how we do it.
So I'm like, I don't think you're okay.
I'm not.
You aren't. I did it last second, cause apparently I'm a low battery. Oh yeah. Me not caring about my walls on my side. Hi, I'm gonna help you.
No.
I helped you. See. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't. Please
I'm gonna frame you. Even though I don't know how to though.
No. You can't do this to me.
I can.
No, you can't. I'm getting you canceled. I'm getting you canceled. I'm getting you canceled.
I'm getting you canceled.
Be like that. I don't even have. You can't cancel me. I'm your canceler. Why am I?
What?
I'm a counselor. Wait, hold up, wait. I'm your counselor.
What did that
You
make?
can't cancel me. What did you just say?
What sense did that make? I'm scared. Watch out
I
for
don't
my
know,
body
you
roll.
can't
Watch out for
cancel
my
me.
body roll. High kicks, high kicks. This is how we do it.
I didn't get killed. Don't worry. I'll get the walls.
What?
Upgrade the walls. Yeah, good.
Hopefully this works.
I don't have that. I don't think it will.
I think it will. Did you
I'm
run the
still.
Lulu?
No, it won't. Still want Oreos. So I'm gonna help you.
I don't need help.
How did I have 2 more kills than you? What?
Because you hit one mine, I'm pretty sure.
No, before it wasn't. We had the same amount, and then apparently I have 2 more than you. I
You
only
probably
hit
hit mine.
one. Oh, I'm so sorry. I meant to
It's
only hit
fine.
one. I'm sorry. It's not fine. Wait,
It's
what?
fine.
Oh.
What?
Um. Had a shiver down my spine. Okay. Had a shiver down my spine.
What, girl?
Yeah, I had a shiver down my spine. We isn't after the brick wall, it's a metal wall, and then I'm sitting in English, yeah.
Yeah, I'm too sure.
I don't think I'm okay.
You're not, I'm scared.
Help me.
Before you ask, no, I don't need help.
Do you need help?
No,
Hiya! See, I helped you.
I
I'm
don't need
helping.
help.
I was helping you by joining at the air, cause isn't that what you're doing?
No,
No, okay.
I'm
I
scared.
thought it was good. I still remember when we got the bag. Cassie, I'm pretty. I was hitting some of yours on accident. I fear that's gonna happen again.
Yeah.
I upgraded my cheese, my food, and I got banana. No! No! I don't need help. I'm okay.
I don't need help too.
Hi, how are you? You're kind of getting low on HP. You did it. You, I say and then you pause it. Wow.
Please.
That's so mean. How could you do that?
I want
Ooh,
the
damage.
chips.
Damage. I want Doritos. And I want Oreos as well. I want Doritos and Oreos. Legend has it, we won't get them.
What do you mean? I remember the good Doritos.
Legend has it, I won't be able to get them. Sorry, please, I'm sorry. I just noticed, how are we gonna remember all of the skins.
We're not. We're gonna make the homemade skins. Before y'all
Okay.
got questioning it, have y'all seen videos of the Danny Pro creator being problematic? Well, there was a lot of proof and evidence. Why did I like case obscured? Well, it was apparently
Maybe because it is.
true, and we probably won't be posting a lot of Danny Pro videos, but we kind of stealing some of our favorite characters as OCs. Cause what is he gonna do about it?
I would like to. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I was distracting it.
So,
Anywho.
if y'all, we probably will be doing like a little bit of Danny Frost videos, but we'll probably be like
We might
making,
host one.
yeah,
Have a run tomorrow. Or
yeah,
a duo or a trio. Probably a run.
yeah, but we
So-
won't, but we're not supporting, her and her actions. We barely have games to play, to be honest. But
I didn't make it, by the way.
please, and I want y'all to please try to spread this to people, because I don't think one of our friends knows about it, and we we're gonna try to tell her once she's go online,
You saw nothing.
I'm sorry, everything.
No, you didn't. No, you're not Ratatouille. I am. Aren't you taller than me? Yeah, I'm Ratatouille. You're not Ratatouille. I'm Ratatouille. You saw nothing.
Doesn't mean I can't
That's
hear
it all.
everything.
I slowly takes your ears away. What
Uh-oh.
you mean? I'm Ratatouille. I hear Danes. I see you, Danes.
I'm on my dog
Need help?
now.
So
You hit one of them.
Yeah.
But maybe don't go over there. Hala, hawalala.
I'm gonna hurt you.
Ow, my
Your
knuckles.
metal balls. Good. Who said that? Who said that? Who said that? I was in weapons. I was in weapons. And then I exit. I see a little chicken body. A little chicken body right behind me. I panic.
We just tried to make
And I turn
two of our not stolen OCs a Valentine's skin, matching Valentine's skin. Trust, I'm saying.
I'm about to make Astro one. What?
Please, I'm about to make Sprout one.
Well, looks like it's Star Chef.
Please.
I love Star Chef. No one can tell me. No one can convince me otherwise. No one can convince me to not like it. I love Star Chef. I will forever love Star Chef. I will forever have every single kind of Star Chef. Wholesome, Angus. Yeah, the kind. Every single kind of Star Chef will be with me.
What about
If you say AU or one of them is a child and
AU?
everyone is a Del, goodbye. That'll be no. It will
What
be
about a
wholesome,
cannibal?
AKA. Stop! You know what? That too. That too. It's gonna be cannibal victim. Abuser victim. Really.
So I'm gonna have a problem. How am I gonna do my AU? Because it's supposed to be like a lot of tunes, and
mix both of our favorites. Why?
It will
I
be
don't care.
Neptunes. Wait, V is
Bring
already
some from that
dead.
bitch.
Wait, V's already dead in my AU. Wait, hold up. I forgot about that. Hold up, wait.
Folks at AU. She's life and then why did I just get dizzy? Oh my gosh.
Dude,
Oh,
my head be
woozy
hurting.
woo. Good.
After
So
like the fireworks.
so am I kind of getting a little HP? I think you kind of need some help. No, you don't.
No.
Here, I'm gonna help you. I got rid of the clouds for you.
What that gonna do?
I saved you. I
God, my
don't
friends are
know. It's gonna do
crazy.
something.
I don't think she's okay.
No, I'm not.
Oh. Watch out for my body rolls. Watch out for my body rolls. High kicks, high kicks. This is how we do it. I'm so okay. Alright, trying to get her out. Come on, come.
Getting low on. I kind of been getting low on HP. Thank you. You need help?
No.
Yes, you do. The fact I paused it, you're kind of making
Please.
me paranoid. Biometal walls.
I want yours up!
Bio-
Ah.
Biometal wall.
Guess what I have?
Well, guess what I have too? I have a frying pan.
I have
Same
this.
for- That well, I guess what I have. I have more speed than you.
Hey, at least I can heal myself along with other people. You just run around.
Well, hey, at least I have speed. What? I'm getting speed. You know. Who knows? Me. I still have frying pan. Frying pan. I love frying pan. Hey guys, stop going to the merchant. What the merchant gonna do?
The heck?
Ignore what that was. He needs help.
No.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I
You
don't.
need help.
No.
I need help.
No!
Uh,
Oh!
yeah!
No!
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Ah. I got extra coin person, person,
Wait.
potion, and a damage one, and another more coin ones. And I'm gonna stop buying. I'm gonna save for my frying pan. Oh my god! Stop!
Oh,
Stop!
they and one of mine went to yours.
When you're what? Water bottles?
No. Well, my
Cats?
enemies. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
It's fine. Anyways, speaking of cats, what's your favorite animal? Comment
Mine's a
below.
dog. I'm joking. Mine's a fox.
Mine's a
Well, mine is a dog as
cat.
well. No, I have my favorite is a lynx. A lynx, a lynx, a fox, a wolf, and a dog. Those are me. 4 or 5
Mine is
favorites. I don't know if I said that 4 or
either
5.
a cat, a bat, or
Yeah, my favorite's also bats.
uh
Can't forget about Scarlet Knight. Love him. You were
a
saying
steer or a whale. That's not an
you
animal,
say-
but whatever. Who cares? Not me.
I'm just distracting. Oh, I wasn't really distracting anymore. I forgot about the wave, by the way. I kind of forgot about my side. Cause I thought
Free.
I finished. I thought I was
Go, you
halfway.
ain't that
Um,
fast. Goody pop.
actually I am. Cause half the time I finished before you, and you still have a full team.
No, it's usually a small team.
Sometimes.
You mean at the
But
start?
let me finish. No. I thought I grabbed what? I thought I got rid of one of the cats, but then it was still defeating my wall because I couldn't rebuild it. So Hi, how you doing? Let me track for ya. Uh, oh, I didn't kill it. Don't worry, I didn't. Now I have. Sorry, kitties die. I'm so sorry to the cat. So
Ah!
please, should we try to use a melee often? I thought it was more. You got this. Shopping for unicorns dancing
The
on rainbows.
rainbows. By the way, I think the creator of the song is and also problematic. I think, or the OC, the fluffy one, the fluffy unicorn.
I will want help. I'm a. Oh no! I almost died.
We weren't really doing that because there was other guy up at the wall.
I know. I'm sorry.
It's
I was
fine.
No, it's not. No, it's not. We build the walls. We build the walls.
It's
I have faith in my. I have the power
scary.
to not.
Me too.
Yay! I'm gonna
I'm
save
upgrade
up
food.
for. I'm gonna save up for like 35k, so then I can upgrade my melee and the obsidian walls.
I'm gonna save up for my range.
Okay. The poor little kitties are getting smacked away. I'm so sorry to them. Please wait. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I'm so sorry if I hit one of yours.
It's fine. I'll hit one of yours. Don't worry.
Okay, we're even. Hi. Oh no. My gosh, you're ganging up on us. No. 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 I just noticed we're getting close to the Elliots.
Oh no.
It should. Okay, we need to get the builders, and then they build the walls faster. I'll buy the
Oh.
first one. Do you want to buy the second one? Once
I'm
you
gonna
get
save up
8k?
first.
Okay.
Hold on. How
And
about
what's
that need for the
actually
ranged? Okay.
for sure,
Okay.
okay. Yeah. I'm gonna say save up to like something the 12k for it.
Okay.
I don't know.
Bum 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 mo 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 mo
Are you okay?
mo.
You
I
guys
have
see how
no.
so I just noticed that the fish they drop it revives HP.
Mo
Oh,
mo
I just
mo
noticed
mo
that.
mo 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 mo
Yeah, I don't
mo
think you're
mo mo.
okay. Okay, we kind of need the knight armor. Like we kind of need to buy it. I know we're both saving up, but we kind of need it.
I don't need it.
Yes, you do. The Merber Bridge. Oh. Ah. Oh my
That scared me
god.
so bad. I'm gonna say this now. That scared me so bad.
Me too.
I'm gonna pause it for a little break.
I would. That's it too. What? I was gonna pause it soon. Okay. I really need. Uh. I need to plug in my charger. I'm kind of scared. What are you doing? I feel like my main OC will be Astro.
My
Genuinely.
main will be Sprout, Cosmo, or D&D. Depends on my mood.
Okay, great.
Depends on what I'm feeling. D&D. Depends on feeling Cosmo or Sprout or yeah.
Mine depends if I'm feeling V, if I'm feeling V version 1E or the Astro Nova Light AE.
Oh no, they're hitting it!
Please.
Do you need help?
No. I don't. I don't need help.
Ha! Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow,
What do
wow,
you want
wow,
more?
wow. Ba da ba do do
Nothing
do
good.
boo do do boo do boo do boo do 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 boo do 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 boo do boo do 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 da 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 da.
I made me on one side apparently. I'm getting it from them I'm getting it done from the back with a can of tuna. So I'll probably have to kill some of yours, depending on where I'm aiming. So sorry.
It's fine.
I don't know why I decided to kill them from far, but I kinda did. Hi, let me distract them for you. Kinda failed, but there was one cat that was stuck in the wall.
My
So
leg.
are
I
you
want
okay?
it.
Should we put the med kit?
I'm saving. No.
Bought it. I bought one.
Okay.
You know buy?
No, become saving.
Alright.
I can't
on
remember
your
the
side.
jumped.
We are gonna get jumped. What you mean you got a feeling? You do not have a dream about this.
I had a dream about it.
No, you didn't. No, you did not. No, you did not. No, you did not. So how you don't spot me from behind? Even though one day spawn right there. Kind of lovely. Hurry, build them walls.
Doesn't hurry.
I'm gonna hurt you one day.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're not.
Yeah, you're right. Like or hurt me, I'm sorry.
I am. Most definitely gonna hurt you. Heh. Getting them. We're getting them. Sorry for clicking yours as well. Trying to get them when they spawn on like near where my camera is angled. AK where where some of it might hit yours. My gosh. My gosh. So many kitty. Oh. Oh. The fact that I paused it, I'm gonna hurt
Please.
you.
Bet.
I wanna hear. No!
I forgot what we on. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. There we go. And. There we go. And. That's all? Okay. Okay then. Okay.
Can buy your med kit.
Now I'm saving.
Okay, me too.
Gotta hurry, gotta move some stuff. There we go, I'm good.
Ah! You know what? I'll grab my range. It'll be fine. Or save up again. It'll be fine.
Do you need help?
No. I don't need help. 'Cause I got this. Whee! Ow! Oh! Gosh.
Could it be me?
I wanna hurt you.
Hey. I want to be ninja.
Yeah. Yay. Yay. Yay.
Me seeing you kill some of my cats.
I was blame the range. Blame the just why don't to blame the range. No, blame Shrimpo. Blame Shrimpo.
Yeah.
Blame Shrimpo.
Asli,
Shrimpo did this.
blame Quill now.
Yes. Blame both, really.
Yeah.
But I'm say not blame Glow. Still don't support. I'm just gonna say not blame. Blame Shrimpo. I've been blaming the shrimp. I have it. I
I'ma
have it.
upgrade armor.
See what the next one looks like. It's a fish, and it's 40k. Wee, yay.
I want to be
Have the armor?
ninja.
Oh. Ooh. And now I gotta save it for the walls. Oh my gosh, I killed them so perfectly. I love it. Ah. Oh my god, it one hits the no it doesn't. It takes 2 hits to kill the healing cat with the squeaky one. The melee takes 2 hits instead. Wait, how much? So, I'm gonna pause it real quick. So apparently, wait, 50.
I'm a league.
I think you're okay.
You tell me you're
It is
joking right
called the
now.
giant. What?
My whole thing just broke. Just snap in half again, dude. You cannot be so for real.
Oh, that's not good. I think you need a new one somehow.
Again,
But,
dude.
So the the giant squeaky hammer does 150 damage. The fish will do 180, I think.
Hold
But it
on.
takes 2 hits to kill the
I might have to
healing
go
one.
back to lobby real quick.
Oh, that's fine. We can restart.
Yeah.
Just let's get rid of this one.
I can help you.
No,
You
it's
never could have
fine.
before.
I got
Oh, never
this.
mind then.
Oh yeah, do it. Do it. Help
That's
me.
fine.
I need help.
What's a
I need
Tutorial?
help.
There you
I
go.
need
You
help.
have. There you go. You have Lumio.
I said I need help. I need help killing it. I said I need help killing it. I can't defeat it on my own. I can't defeat it on my own. Yay, it's going out faster. I take so slow. Hold up, I know what to do best now. Since I have the inventory. Slowly equip the turkey leg. Yay, it goes down so slow. I'm faster now. That's your
But I hurt you.
Aw, it's going down slower. No. No,
I'm
how dare
trying to fight my
you.
thing, ma'am.
Leave your side alone. Leave it alone. Leave it die. Don't worry about them last.
Why can't I can't? I got pushed by one.
Oh. We did. We're doing it. 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 You're doing it. Yay! You killed it.
No, I have to go back to the lobby because I need to tape my thing before I go.
Okay.
So, be right back.